off out for a morning run. It's not even 9 AM yet.
Wow.
Got myself an iced latte as a little reward. Time to do my eyebrows. They really need done. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. As I'm sure you can already tell, I'm having a bit of a reset day today. We just got back from a week-long trip up north yesterday and we're actually going away this weekend as well, so I feel like I need to get everything organized, everything sorted. We've had quite a busy few weeks and the flat is not looking good. It's a bit of a mess, so I really want to get everything sorted. I have quite a few other things I want to get done as well, so I have of course written myself a big to-do list. As you will have already seen, I got up early and went for a run, so feeling very healthy. I also had an everything shower, did a hair mask. I have started tidying a flat and I've put 2 washes on. I might even do another one if I'm feeling kind of crazy, but I don't even think I've ticked off half of the things on my list yet. But it should be a fun vlog. I love watching people do resets and stuff like that, so I hope you all like it as well. I also never say this, but if you are watching and you've not subscribed, then I would absolutely love it if you did. I don't know why it feels awkward asking people to subscribe, but if you fancy doing it, then that would be great. But I think the next thing I'm gonna do is update my diary. I am not good at writing stuff in here, but I have quite a few things coming up over the next couple of weeks that have not been written in my diary, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is my diary. I got her from Papier at the start of the year. Parcel just got delivered that I'm really excited about, but I feel like it's not going to fit me, so let's see. I'm also filming a TikTok, sorry.
Oh, it's actually really nice today, yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, you're nice.
Okay, success.
Surprise, really.
Thought it was going to be too small here, but it's actually okay, I think. Sorry, the washing machine is so loud, but I have literally changed my outfit like 3 times today. But we're just popping round to our friend's flat for a wee cup of tea, so nothing fancy. I just have the same jeans I was wearing and a plain black top and my jacket because I think it's a wee bit colder today. Nothing interesting, just pretty casual. Also, I put a few things on Vinted and somebody bought a dress straight away for £18. I thought I was being a bit ambitious. Now I'm like, maybe I should put it up for more, so I'm gonna post that on my way. Good morning, it's so bright, I don't even know if you can see me, but I'm currently on my way to go get a skin check, actually, which I'm kind of really nervous about, but I don't think there's anything worrying. But Danny could basically like get this through work for free, so I thought I might as well take my chance, but now I'm regretting it because I don't want to go, I'm nervous. Back from my appointment right now. I think everything went well. She took a couple photos, but she said she was pretty sure everything was fine, so I'm really glad I did that. I have literally been putting off that appointment for over a year, which is so bad. Take this as your sign if you're putting something off to go do it, because you'll feel better afterwards. I'm currently just making some lunch. It's not even midday right now, but I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna have my lunch now, and then if I'm hungry in a bit, I'll have my breakfast. Last night we had taco bowls, so I just have that. Gonna put some cheese on top. We also the other day bought this barbacoa sauce. I'm gonna put some of that on it, and also some lettuce. Oh, almost dropped them. I'm gonna go and eat this and watch Sex and the City, I think. I don't know when is finally time to take the engagement decorations down. I obviously want to keep them up, but they've been up for a while and I don't know if I'm just milking it a bit now. I don't even have my engagement ring back yet, so I feel like maybe I should keep them up at least till I get that back. I took it in to get resized and then they said they needed to do a couple of other things to it and they told me it would take 10 days to 2 weeks, and today marks 2 weeks. And I have not heard anything yet. So I'm really hoping I get it back this week. It's been so long without it. It feels like I'm not even engaged. I don't have an engagement ring. So maybe I'll just take the engagement stuff down once I actually have my ring back.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder.
It is currently Wednesday afternoon. I have been editing for most of the day, but right now I'm going to try and attempt to pack for our trip. We're going down to Dorset to see Elle. We're leaving tomorrow afternoon. Danny's driving. It is a long drive, but we're there for the whole weekend. So I need quite a few outfits. I have been trying to plan a few on my notes app, but I just am feeling so uninspired with all of my clothes. Like, I just cannot think of any outfits and I just hate everything. I'm kind of feeling going for a more simple vibe, but I never really like doing that, and I feel like I actually don't really suit like simpler outfits. I don't really know how to explain it, so I'm gonna see if I can think of some fun things to wear. I do have a wee bit of time tomorrow to pack, but I would rather just get it done today. Also, I can't decide if the dress I'm wearing today is kind of ugly. I found it at my parents' house. I used to love this dress like 3 years ago, and I have not worn it for so long, but it's from Zara, and I feel like you can tell it's from Zara, if you know what I mean, which I don't really love, but I'm not leaving the flat for the rest of the day, so I guess it's fine. Okay, let's try and find some outfits.
My reality, foolish I know, but you always keep a figment of my mind, guiding me back ashore in my darkest days.
Danny is currently clearing out the fridge and also our cupboards because my sister is coming to stay to look after Bones. So I want to make sure it's all nice and tidy for her.
We're good at like finishing packets.
Yeah.
Next time we have pasta, we have like 3 half packets to finish. Or like third packet.
Those bracelets aren't open. Bonesy. Are my clothes comfortable? Can you get my camera, please?
Wait.
I have just sat down with a cup of tea and a little treat bowl. I have 1 cream egg and 1 chocolate chip shortbread biscuit, which I'm really excited about. Probably didn't need both, but I'm treating myself. I'm having a little solo evening tonight because Danny has gone to the pub with his friend. He did invite me, but I couldn't really be bothered, not gonna lie. For the most part, I have figured out what I'm gonna take with me to Dorset. I don't really love any of my outfits though, like just none of them. I'm not getting much joy from any of them. So I'm gonna sleep on it, I think, and see if I can come up with anything better. I don't think we're gonna leave until like 5ish tomorrow, but I am babysitting in the morning. So I don't have a whole lot of time, and the flat is still not looking that great. As I already mentioned, my sister is coming to stay for the weekend to look after Bones, so I want to make sure it's all nice and clean for her, and then hopefully it means it'll be nice and clean for us getting back if my sister keeps it tidy. I was also just reading some of my book. I'm currently reading Sunrise on the Reaping, the new Hunger Games one about Haymitch. This is where I am. I'm not that far through. I thought that I would finish it a bit quicker, but I am enjoying it. I just like don't feel all that hooked right now. I don't know, but I do like it. I don't know if I guess like it is like a YA novel, so that might be why. Not that I'm against a YA novel, but maybe that's why it's not quite gripping me in the way I thought it would. I do love the Hunger Games though, so I'm excited to finish this and see what happens, but I have seen quite a few spoilers on TikTok. I don't really know what to watch right now. I've only really been watching Gilmore Girls recently, but Danny has been kind of watching it with me, so I don't want to watch any more episodes in case he wants to see. Oh, phone is coming over. But apart from that, I kind of have just been watching YouTube, but I've been rewatching all of Scarlett Fraser's videos. If you guys watch Scarlett, I really like her. Kind of go through phases with YouTube where I will choose like one person and I'll only watch their videos and I'll rewatch like all of them. So I'm currently in my Scarlett Fraser era, so maybe I'll just watch her tonight, or maybe I should watch a film. I haven't watched a film in a while.
5 years ago, when Juliet and I remembered that we could just order Domino's, and then we watched, do you remember we watched Sherlock, and we took my spare mattress and laid it up by the side of the bed in what? Curzon Street flat.
Yeah. I'm actually really hungry right now, so this is good.
So I got a text from Uber saying that Domino's is now on Uber. I realised I didn't have enough myself.